Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to be unboxing the new Erin Condren seasonal surprise box. This is my very first seasonal box. I am not sure how often they release them just because I am new to the Erin Condren world, but I did see last year's and I just loved it, and I am loving the print on this box. I am loving the color. It's so pretty. So let's go ahead and check this out. Oh my goodness, how pretty is this? So the first thing that I see is this pretty little note, and let's see. Okay, so it does tell you exactly what's in here, but I do not want to take a look at that one. Let's see, what could we do? Let's look at this. Okay, so there is washi here, and this washi, it looks like it's an hourly washi and some bullet points as well. So actually these are pretty functional, and I'm excited to use this in my daily Petite planner and my academic planner as well. So there's the washi, and then let's go ahead and take a look at this. So it's a nice little vase. How pretty is this? It is gorgeous. Anything else in here? Okay, I don't think there's anything else. So let me go ahead and remove these. And I do love this little quote right here. Let today be the start of something new. This box is amazing. The box alone has me in love with this, but let's get rid of this. So the first thing that I see is this notebook, and it just says let today be the start of something new, and it has the gold foil as well as the gold coil, so that's a perfect match. And I love this right here. It's so pretty, so calm. The vision gets the dream started. And okay, so it's a vision journal. Perfect. And it has this note. Again, I cannot wait to read this one as well. So when the vision is clear, strategy is easy. Welcome to your vision journal. What is vision boarding? Okay, so this is a good concept. Write the vision and make it a plan. Getting started on creating your visions. Helpful tools for vision journaling. Oh, I love this concept. And so we have reflection. What has happened in the past 3, 6, 9, or 12 months? What I'm proud of in the past 3, 6, 9, or 12 months. And what I would like to improve from the past, again, 3 to 12 months. What's happening in my life right now. What I like about what is happening in my life right now. What I would like to improve upon right now. And getting clarity. What I want to focus on with my vision or visions. What I want to create with my vision or vision. And what's important to me. Getting started on creating your visions, putting your vision into words, making your vision a reality, and important reminders. I just love how it explains it, and it kind of guides you with what you need in order to get started. So I love that. And then some dot grid for brainstorming. So a few of those pages. Create a vision that makes you want to jump out of bed in the morning. And so we have a space for your vision, my vision for, and then vision created, added to vision, what this vision means to me, plans and actions to bring this vision to life. Okay, so I love the concept of this, very straight to the point, a visual right here. I love this page. It is such a great reminder. Even though it's March, there is always time to create new visions or goals for yourself. So I love this. And okay, so we had a few of those. And then you have everything inside you to be and do anything you want. Beautiful. And then this is lined paper. So we have a few of these pages as well. And then we have the dot grid back here. So again, a few of these pages. And then we do have just blank. So I love the mixture of paper in here. It's perfect. And then let's see the back. When the vision is clear, strategy is easy. And then we end with this. I just love this. It's such a pretty notebook, and I'm excited to actually start using this, especially because we all have a lot of time on our hands right now. So this is actually perfect timing for this. I'm excited to get started with this one. And then let's go ahead and see what was next. Okay, so let's look at these. And it says DIY interchangeable pen kit. Okay, so let's see. So I feel like this is the barrel, and these do have all different tips. Is that what it says? So we have a fine tip, a highlighter, and a medium tip along with the barrel. Okay, so this is the barrel, and it looks like all it's gonna do is screw in here. Okay, perfect. So there we go. And there's another one, and I don't see a top. So does another one fit in here? Okay, so it's double-sided, interchangeable. I like it. So 2 at a time, perfect. Okay, I love this. These are going to be awesome to play around with. I love this. All right, so let's go ahead and put it off to the side. And then we do have a Petite journal, and it includes 80 pages. So let's take a look at this one. I am loving the print. It screams out spring to me. It's so pretty. So let's see. Let today be the start of something new. And it has the lined pages, and then this little section for bullet points. And that's basically what it has. I love that it's changing colors. So let's do a quick little flip through. Super functional. I love this. You can just carry this one around and just go ahead and either journal or write down anything you would like, actually. So this is pretty cool. I like it, and I love the cover. It's so pretty. And then let's see, cleaning checklist. All right, let's open this up, and then a little notepad. Okay, I love this. So it's sectioned off with the days of the week, and it does have some bullet points. So just list everything that you would like to get done. This is actually perfect with the situation that's currently going on right now. We all have a lot of time on our hands, and I know I've been cleaning a lot and rearranging and organizing, and actually this is pretty perfect. And there's a few of those pages. I don't think it said on the wrapper how many pages are in here, but there's quite a few of them in here. So I'm excited to start using this one, actually. And then the last thing that I see is a sheet of stickers. So I've never ordered stickers from Erin Condren separately. I've only gotten the ones that come with the planners themselves. So I love this foil. They are clear stickers, and they're so pretty. So actually these would look really, really nice to kind of brighten up this little checklist. So this is such a good pair. So let's go ahead and we can take a look at the card that it came with the box contents. So we had the Vision coiled notebook. So this one right here, and this one says exclusive because some say a sneak peek. So I'm guessing the exclusive ones, you're only able to get them if you purchase this box. And then the sneak peek is something that's coming later on, I believe. I think that's how it works. Like I said, I saw an unboxing of the last one that they released. So there's some exclusive items and some sneak peeks. So I believe that's the concept with this whole thing. So this is exclusive to the box as well as the planter. Okay, so as well as a planter, and I think I called this a vase. So the planter right here, it's exclusive to the box. And then what else? The Petite journal is exclusive, and so is a washi tape, actually. Okay, so just you get this one if you get the box, and then the clear sticker sheets. Perfect. So basically all of these items are exclusive. And then the sneak peeks were the cleaning checklist notepad and the interchangeable pen kit. So I'm pretty excited about what else they're going to be doing with this pen kit. I love the concept. I think it's a great one. And I think this whole box was perfect for it being my first seasonal box. I am loving everything in here, especially this cute little planter. I cannot wait to add a fake little plant because I cannot keep anything alive. I don't know why. But I love this, and I love everything that it came with. The box is just so pretty, and I just love everything. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.